Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to submit documents on Wise and verify your account. Verifying your account ensures higher limits, secure transactions, and smoother transfers. Let's get started. First, open the Wise app or visit wise.com and log in with your credentials. Next, go to your profile or account verification section. Here, Wise will prompt you to submit the required documents. Then, choose the type of document you want to upload. This can include a passport, driver's license, national ID, or proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement. After selecting your document, upload it by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure the file is clear, legible, and fully visible, so Wise can process it quickly. Once uploaded, submit the documents for review. Verification usually takes a few minutes to a few business days, depending on the type of document and region. Wise will notify you when your account is successfully verified. Finally, check your account to confirm that your verification status is updated. Once verified, you can enjoy higher transfer limits and a more secure Wise experience. Submitting documents and verifying your account on Wise is simple and fast when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.